Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a question I've been getting a lot lately. Is it easy to withdraw from Stash? Let's find out together. Imagine this: you've been diligently investing in Stash for months, maybe even years. Your portfolio is looking good, and you're ready to cash in on your gains. But what if the process of withdrawing your money is a hassle? It could quickly dampen your enthusiasm, right? So, let's explore the ins and outs of withdrawing from Stash. We'll cover everything from the different withdrawal methods to the potential fees involved. And of course, we'll answer the burning question: is it as easy as they say? Section 1: Understanding withdrawal options. Stash offers a few different ways to withdraw your money. Let's break them down. Direct bank transfer. This is probably the most common method. You simply link your bank account to your Stash account and initiate a transfer. The funds should arrive in your bank account within a few business days. Check by mail. If you prefer a more traditional approach, you can request a check. However, this might take a bit longer to process. In-app purchases. If you want to use your Stash balance to make purchases within the app, that's also an option. Section 2: Fees and taxes. Now, let's talk about the less exciting part: fees and taxes. While Stash doesn't charge any withdrawal fees, you'll need to be aware of potential taxes on your gains. The tax implications will depend on your specific investment strategy and tax bracket. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor to ensure you're complying with tax laws. Section 3: The withdrawal process. Let's walk through the steps of withdrawing money from Stash. It's pretty straightforward. Log into your Stash account. Navigate to the Withdraw or Transfer section. Select your preferred withdrawal method. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Confirm the withdrawal. That's it. The process should be relatively quick and easy. Section 4: Customer support. If you encounter any issues during the withdrawal process, Stash offers customer support to assist you. You can contact them through their website or app. Section 5: Is it easy? So, to answer the original question, is it easy to withdraw from Stash? Based on what we've discussed, the answer is generally yes. The process is straightforward, and the fees are minimal. However, it's important to be aware of potential tax implications and to have your bank information ready. Withdrawing from Stash should be a hassle-free experience. Whether you're looking to cash out a portion of your investments or make a complete withdrawal, the process is relatively simple. Just remember to factor in taxes and have your bank information handy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.